ไปเลยเรา follow base ค่ะ
Nagsalita na nga ang kampo ng Miss Universe Philippines hinggil sa mga negatibong reaksyon ngayon ng mga netizens hinggil sa di umano'y hindi magandang styling ni Atisa Manalo at sa issue ng know when to pick. Pasabog na national costume ni Veena Pravinar, Miss Universe Thailand, ipinakita na sa publiko para sa nalalapit na pasabog national costume competition sa Wednesday. Inanunsyo ni na What is Sarah Grizzle ngayong gabi na magkakaroon daw ng pagbabago sa nauna nilang inanunsyong format. Ngayon daw, nagkaroon ng changes. Bali, ang bagong format daw na susundin ay top 30, top 12, top 5 at top 3.
Oh, okay, sorry, we change a little change. Oh. Okay, top 30, 12 and 5, 3. Oh.
Ibinahagi naman ni Voltaire Tayag, MUPH Executive Vice President ang maikling video kasama si Atisa Manalo tungkol sa controversial na know when to pick issue at sa poor styling na hanash ng mga netizens. Say niya,
Ano sabi sa inyo, Ma'am Michi? Know when to pick ba?
Sabi niya, know when to pick. Sabi niya. Saka styling doesn't matter.
The saying, you can't please everyone, could not be any truer than in the pageant community. One misplaced hair strand in a non-competition event, the perpetuality unimpressed fans go wild like it's the end of the world. For the Miss Universe Philippines team, we do our best to make sure Atisa shines and feels her most beautiful. She is the one who needs to be pleased with any aspect. It is her Miss Universe journey and we are here to support her. We also know that she is giving it her all. That's all one can ask for. The rest is destiny. Samantala, ipinakita na ni Veena Pravinar, Thailand, ang kanyang pasabog na national costume na tinatawag na Suvarnaraska, the guardian giant of Suvarnabhumi. Ayon pa sa description ng national costume ni Veena Pravinar, Thailand, Suvarnaraksa, the guardian giant of Suvarnabhumi. This national costume is inspired by the legendary guardian giant of Thai folklore, a symbol of strength, honor, and protection. The giant was born to preserve the roots of Thai culture and civilization. Crafted in radiant gold, the costume reflects the richness of Thailand's wisdom and heritage. Wearing it is like donning a suit of honor and protective power, embodying the timeless spirit of the guardian giant who watches over and safeguards Thailand for eternity. Ang ganda ng natkos ni Veena. This is what I love about Thailand is hindi sila madamot. Hindi sila nagpapa-VIP, hindi sila nagpapa-ilap, yung mailap-ilap, ganon, nagpapa-suspense, pero pagdating naman sa actual, walay naman, nga, sila Thailand, labarn kung labarn, pasabog kung pasabog, bongga. Sa latest update or sa latest video naman ay binahagi ni na What kasama si Raul Rocha, handang-handa na daw ang pasabog venue na pagdadausan ng puksaan sa national costume at preliminary competition sa Wednesday. Ang ganda, malawak, pasabog ang stage. Basta Thailand talaga, no, on time talaga sila magtrabaho. Pulido pa, hindi tulad ng iba. Diba? Ang ganda ng natkos ni Veena, no? I love it na ipinakita na nila. Wala silang gimmick na know when to pick, kineso na yun. Pero pagdating sa actual, nga naman. Sila Thailand talaga, labarn kung labarn, pasabog kung pasabog. Diba? I love it. Anong say mo, Ray?